You know. Howdy folks, at least I'm not sure that is the official greeting in Texas really. That's just what you always hear. A lot of folks said howdy to me here already. We have not been sitting still, and let's clean this off. And we already left New Mexico and are very close to San Antonio, and that's where we will be going today because it looks beautiful online. And it's mentioned everywhere to check it out in Texas. This rest stop was awesome.
Yay, Texas rest stops.
Yay!
They're amazing. There's lots of grass, it's quiet, lots of room, picnic gazebos everywhere.
Shadow for the very hot summers, I'm sure.
Washrooms.
But this was like...
It's nice, perfect.
Very surprised, very nice. Okay, let's get on the road. How far is it from here? 1.5 hours?
No.
No?
Maybe an hour? But we have to do Costco first.
Oh,
we
yeah.
need dog food.
Errands and dog food and all that stuff.
And then lunch in the city.
Good food.
Good food. And hopefully.
Food makes us happy.
Food makes us
Especially her.
Good food makes us happy. And coffee.
And coffee. Okay, let's get going and
yeah, see you there.
great day actually.
I remember when we said everything will happen, and we knew we'd never fail, we would never die.
We made it to San Antonio and we're very close to the mission? The animal mission. And luckily we found some parking. We already thought that will be impossible because of our
Metered street parking.
Yeah, metered street parking made it work.
Yeah, we paid for 2 spots.
Just in case.
Just in case.
It's not too expensive. We paid like, well, because the minimum is $3 for the credit card payment, but so we're at $4.50 now for 2 tickets, which is fine until 6 p.m.
Yeah, 6 p.m. and after 6 it's free. Until 8 a.m.
But if you're shorter, no problem, you will find something. We're just, with the 42 feet, it's just, that's just tricky sometimes. It's really tricky. Okay, let's go to that animal mission.
I think we just
Where all the people are going, I guess.
We'll find it. There's always Google Maps.
And it's warm here.
Don't wanna forget a single day. Could it really happen? Will you please talk to me really straight and say that we won't die? We will never die. We will never die. We will never die.
No dogs allowed and 2 pieces of force.
So many people. We'll just look at it from here.
Yep. That guide on the boat there just said that this building here is from one of the Ghostbusters movies. I have to fact check that.
Which one are we thinking?
Yeah, it has a look, I guess.
We'll have to look it up.
We fact check that one. So don't make shit up.
Just listen in on those boat tours and you learn a lot. There's a lot of people here.
Yeah.
It's like a Disneyland or something.
It's quite busy here. That was pretty cool, surprising, but too busy for us.
Yeah, choose maybe not the holiday
Yeah.
weekend. We just stopped because we were on the way through.
Yeah, we
I don't
just
think it's always this busy.
no, probably not. We just chose a weekend where it's too busy, where everybody wants to be here. I mean, it's pretty cool. So
Yeah, it's really nice.
yeah. So, but yeah, nicely surprised. Tad too busy for us, but maybe for you it's right. Who knows? Put in the comments if you like that kind of business or not. Very cool. Back to the trailer.
Over there.
Over there somewhere. Over there. And
Find
we're
a spot to sleep.
yeah, find a spot to sleep. See you soon. Guess where we are? Our first buckies ever. We imagined buckies in general bigger, but this must be just a smaller branch of it. And we just want to go in, eat some good food, and after the San Antonio area, unfortunately couldn't find any food trucks. I'm sure they were somewhere, but we keep missing good food somewhere. And we had the girls with us, so it was a bit tricky to sit down. And yeah, let's check out Buc-ee's and what all the fuss is about that we've seen on the internet all the time. Everybody's so excited for Buc-ee's. Buc-ee's! Oh, the girls are hungry too.
Yeah, it's after dinner time for them,
True.
so I thought it's
Good point. So maybe you can answer that question. Yeah, we plan to stay here overnight at Buc-ee's, but online it says actually it's not allowed. They're open 24/7, so do people just do it?
because we
Or-
know people who have stayed here and we've seen people stay
Yeah.
here, so
I mean, some of them were in a van, I guess. But
maybe it's different. I don't know. This is a small one too, so I don't know. Maybe it's just this one.
okay, let's go. We're hungry.
Cinnamon glazed almonds.
You know what you want yet?
No, probably something here.
They do have a lot.
And those are pecans.
Yep.
What is that? A liter? Half a liter? What is that?
Yeah, those drinks are huge. For 99 cents.
Enormous. They're like as big as my face.
So you can get your diabetes for $100.
It's a good deal. And then the coffee cups. I might get one when we leave.
Yeah. Oh, the chips.
Crunchy.
This Buc-ee's was a little bit underwhelming. They don't have a seating area for when you get your food and stuff, so I don't know if it's because of the size of this Buc-ee's, no idea.
So we got food. We'll eat and then we'll go back and get some snacks.
Exactly. So,
And on the same way.
that was round one. The pulled pork and everything was pretty good.
Yeah, I had a brisket sandwich. It was really, really yummy.
Yep. And now round two. Dessert.
Yeah. They have fudge, they have like nuts, and they have cakes, and they have, I don't know, everything?
Lots of stuff.
Everything.
And by now we learned there's a much bigger Buc-ee's kind of further up north, so we got to the smaller version of it, so which is okay.
They're building a big one here in Lulin. Like it's gonna be the biggest, I think.
Right. Dessert.
No cooking tonight.
What are you in the mood for?
I don't know. I have to look at everything first and then I decide. Look at all that.
Dog kisses fix everything.
They do.
Uh-oh. Leather
We don't
bags.
have room.
We
And
don't-
I have enough bags. I just really like looking at bags.
Yeah.
I like bags.
Is that a hint? She likes leather.
What? I've had this for like 10 years.
Yeah, that's right.
It's not like I buy them, I love bags and wallets.
Yeah.
They're very pretty. Like this one's very pretty. And this one. Although
this
I don't do the like shoulder thing.
Nope.
I do the cross. Or backpack.
I don't do the shoulder thing either.
No. It's just too thin, like it.
It's a satchel, not a man purse. Satchel, okay? So we were not too lucky in the dessert department.
I guess we're just full.
We're just full, yeah, probably. Holy moly, that's a long rip.
That is really long. That's like a house. Look, it fits us for like 4 times.
Yeah, so we just head on now to the rest stop that we chose after the Buc-ee's. And
Since Texas rest stops seem to be all.
yeah, it seems Texas rest stops are really good. So we trust that the next one is pretty good as well. Even if it's only half as good as the one yesterday, I'm happy with that. And but we probably will need to eat something or dessert something because we didn't really find. We're probably full, yeah. I
Well,
guess.
it's also early for us. Like I know it's dark, but it was like we ate our dinner at 5. We didn't have breakfast. We didn't really have lunch.
No,
So we kind of stuffed our face.
we did.
And in 2 hours, we're probably going to be hungry.
Oh well, life on the road.
It happens. When
It
you
happens, and the girls are excited too. So we are moving on to the rest.
It's a change to last night.
Apologies to everyone who really likes Texas rest stops. Keep in mind, this is our personal experience. Maybe your experience was better. We would love to read about it in the comment section. That said, here we go. Future Andre and Julia here. Just a little update to rest stops in Texas. At least the ones we found or had to stop. First one was, it seems, the spoiled version.
I don't know if we just got lucky or
Yeah.
because it was Christmas Day, maybe nobody was stopping there. I don't know.
Yeah, we should play the lottery. Maybe we just found that one nice, quiet one. I mean, they're all nice looking
Yeah.
and clean and everything, but I would consider the other ones. We moved twice yesterday night because it was too loud. So I wouldn't call those rest stops. Those are truck stops.
There's so many trucks, and I get it. Like
Yeah, they
the
need to,
highways are full of them. They need to stay somewhere. The truck stops are full, so they all come to the rest areas and run the engines.
yeah.
All night.
They need to sleep somewhere, of course, as well. It's just because the engines were running the whole night on both sides. Our whole rig was vibrating, and which is interesting. But it's those are not rest stops; those are truck stops. So.
And there aren't really that many from where were we? San Antonio to here. We're now past Houston. There are 2.
Yeah, it got less and less. That was weird. We had to drive a long ways to get to the next rest stop. So
At midnight.
yeah,
Because it was just too loud. We couldn't sleep.
we arrived here yesterday at this one, which is very close to the Louisiana state border and Texas-Louisiana state border, and it was packed. In the entrance area, the last truck was just fitting to the right that everybody else can pass with their trucks. So,
Everything. Cars lined.
yeah, the
trucks
cars.
lined up everywhere.
all the car spots were taken, everybody was sleeping in their cars, so we had to be on the side of this road, of this car area.
Even though
it says no parking.
But we weren't the only ones, it was lined.
Yeah.
Lined all the way down.
I'm sorry, at some point I don't care.
Yeah, we had to sleep.
Then give me a ticket, I don't care.
And this one's loud, like the highway's right there, you can hear it.
So if you are really required to have a nice and resting sleep, figure something else out with your rig, because the rest stops in Texas seem.
We tried the Walmarts and stuff too, but we heard a lot of things about people being kicked out, and the ones we passed, I did not see a single van or a single RV, so we passed.
We didn't feel comfortable in staying there.
No.
Oh, one more thing, like what is up with those toilets here, like in Texas? Why are the walls, separating walls so low? I feel like in elementary school, like it's like for school, like I'm taller, when I get up, I see everything. So what is up with that?
Maybe Texans are shorter?
Hey Texans, what's the average height? Like, why is that? I don't know. It's kind of funny.
So we'll make our way now east, Louisiana. We're going to the beach, hopefully staying on the beach tonight, depending on rain. It's not supposed to rain today, so it should be fine for tonight. If not, we'll go to a state park.
Yeah.
But
there's always a state park then.
We need some quiet because this is loud. Like your brain is starting to like.
I'm not sure. Can you hear us? Not sure. Okay.
We're delirious with.
Yeah, we need rest.
Sleep, like tiredness. Yeah. Sorry, can't think yet.
Okay, let's get on the road.
Beach food.
Yay! See you soon. Bye. Here already a little taste of where we spent our next night in Louisiana. Not bad, right? We will show you so much more in our next video. So please like our video and subscribe to our channel. That way you can follow our shenanigans. See you soon.